Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and today we will be doing unboxing video. So I have here some of my gifts and I just want to share with you guys the experience. So let's do it! So the first paper bag we have here, I already opened it because it has stapler. So wow! A Versace. Huh? Wow! Let's open it, guys. So here. Wow! Oh my god! So we have here a big bottle of perfume. Let's smell it. Oh my god. It smells so expensive, guys. Oh my god! So we have here, how much is this one? This is 100 ml perfume. It is EDT or Eau de Toilette. Yeah, oh my god! So here, and what is this? This is the natural spray. Let's open it. Oh, wow! So it's a travel size perfume, the small version of this one. And this one is the deodorant stick. Oh my god, that smells so good, guys. Ah! Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay. Is there any description about this one? Let me read, guys. So we have a deodorant stick, a travel spray, and natural spray 100 ml. What? I don't know how to explain the scent, guys. But it smells so good, it smells so expensive, and I really love Versace as well because I have few perfumes and it lasts the whole day. Oh my gosh, so I'll just put it here. Delana Blue. What? And there you go, guys. So here's the box. Wow! Aw, thank you so much. And we have here next paper bag. Let's open it. Let's open. Wow! Look at these. Let's unbox it. Oh! Look, guys, I got a Tiffany & Co. limited edition Eau de Perfume. What? Look, guys. Aw, thank you so much. Aw, Tiffany's, and this is a limited edition, guys. Huh? Oh my god. Okay, let's open it. So it says here Tiffany's & Co. limited edition Eau de Parfum. And yeah. What? Okay, let's open it here. Ay, I ruined the box. The moment of truth, guys. Wow! Wow! What? I'm speechless! Oh my god! This is a 50 ml bottle, and let's try, guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, it's very floral citrus scent with a hint of sweetness. Huh? Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so overwhelmed. Aww, thank you so much. Wow, I will add it to my collection. Aww, thank you so much. And this is the unboxing video we have now, guys. So, oh my god, thank you for watching. Oh my god, the Tiffany's is so good. Well, it doesn't say here that what kind of ingredients did I put, like what kind of scent or fragrance, but oh my god, this is my new favorite, the Tiffany's. What? I'm so overwhelmed. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.